Good Sunday! What are we making today? We're going to be making a steak in our Wilton Armetale 1976 heavy as mofo skillet. It's over 2 pounds. Made of aluminum and other metals. We don't know exactly, but it's really heavy. Some people think these are pewter, and they're not. Just saying. I was supposed to start a liquid diet today that I've kind of tweaked. From a Better Homes and Gardens 1961 issue, it's a liquid diet that I've tweaked. I was going to start that today, but we're having steak because I found a steak on sale. I think when you find a steak on sale, you gotta buy it. Beef is so expensive. Oh, it's a beauty. I love this pan. This'll beat your grandma's cast iron. This was too nice to pass up. Yes, it was like $15, but it's very nicely marbled. They had another one on sale for like $17, and it had no marbling on the inside. This has some, not much, but it's got some. It was a bone-in. We could cut the bone out. Pretty nice thickness, I'd say. It's going to take a very long time for this to come to room temperature. I'll probably just leave it out 30 minutes. What we're going to do differently today, for me, I'm not going to season it. There are videos on do you season before or do you season after. I always salt and pepper my steaks. I don't mind seasoning it after. Let's try cooking it without the seasoning today. It's just going to be salt and pepper anyway. It's been sitting out for about 45 minutes. We're going to start this around 6. We're going to sear it at 6, a minute each side, and then we're going to constant flip about every 30 or 40 seconds. I'll put the oil in now. It's almost 300 degrees. Away. 1 minute. That's 1 minute, give or take. Still cool. All right, that's 1 minute. 30 seconds. Seconds. 30 seconds. in real time today. Never do it in real time. Let's do it in real time. Nice, 30 seconds. Well, this is fun doing it in real time. Alright, that's 30 seconds. All right. What am I doing? I don't remember. I was going to do something I don't remember. What was I going to do? You have to test it next 30 seconds. We'll test. Almost done. I think 30 seconds and we're done. We're done. Taking her up. I hear ya. Let's just season it while it's resting. Hey! Soapy water. I forgot the butter. Damn it! Pretty. It's a pretty steak. All right, we'll take a cut from here, then we'll cut her down the middle. Kitchen lighting sucks, but let's find out what we got. Oh, it's pretty. That is not bad. Let's put this over here. Let's cut down the middle. Oh, that's medium rare. It'll look pinker on a blue plate. Hey! Feels very tender. I always serve my steaks whole. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's very pink. I would say that's rare. You know, some people don't like it rare, but my mom and dad loved their steak, roast beef, rare. My brother and sister, not so much. You gotta take a bite. That's so tender. Totally needs salt. That's fine. Ha! Take another bite. That's very tender. Oh, I'm very happy with that. Oh. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? So tender. Oh. Thanks for watching.